Hello, welcome back. It's Jessie Home Decor YouTube channel here today with an outstanding, stunning, and updated video on the room decor inspired by Pinterest. No doubt Pinterest is requiring and fulfilling the demands of our viewers according to their taste. So here on the demand of our viewers, we would like to make another video of room decoration inspired by the Pinterest and the interest of our viewers. According to the taste of our viewers, we would like to choose some specific color according to the chosen area for the decoration. As the teen requirements music and love to listen them, so there are specific ideas regarding to the music theme backgrounds. It might include some pictures and layouts of the singer of their own choices, some ancient CD covers, and so many other ideas. No doubt, the trend of pasting lyrics of your favorite song on the wall is also trending everywhere on the Pinterest, as we show so many other ideas like mirrors on the wall, according to the paintings, bookshelves, and so many other ideas to make your corner of the room so many attractive and eye-catching. Moreover, the furniture placement and how to consume the space in your room also matters. We also encourage our viewers and share them different options for budget-friendly ideas to get items for the decoration. Lighting and ambience also enhance the features of your room decoration. Plants and placement of other decor items can also enhance the beauty and the specific area selected for the decoration, such as topping on lights, LED, and neon lights are the most expressive and are used by the viewers today. As our youth are mostly content on girls and women power, so we give so many attractive ideas for the teen girls to make their room according to their taste, desire, and their personality. No doubt, the walls not only represent the walls, they are the reflection of your taste and style. We really encourage our viewers to convert their room and living according to their taste, style, and personality. To make your room decoration more attractive and eye-catching, we like you to use specific color according to the theme, some kind of texture combinations that can give your room an expressive look. Placement of unique items and some kind of photo cards and or your personal artwork or pictures can also enhance the features and decoration of your room. Don't forget to share your personal experiences on the wall to enhance the beauty. Moreover, there are so many ideas about the DIY projects as it has been trending and demand of our viewers. Really like our viewers to engage with us and sharing their ideas. No matter, we like to share outstanding and updated ideas in our videos so our viewers don't have to struggle and have to choose the decoration according to their taste. We really encourage our viewers to share their ideas and thoughts about the transmission of their room in the comment section. We really like to engage with you. We also like to fulfill your demands and requirements according to your taste and personality. Moreover, stay tuned with us to get more and more vibrant and stunning ideas for your decoration and transformation of living. Stay tuned with us, keep liking our videos, watching them, and subscribe our channel to get more and more stunning and eye-catching attractive videos that can help you to change your living and transform your living area according to your taste, style, and personality. keep waiting for our next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.